Tech Survey for Cash Review and earn money online. This Tech Survey for Cash is a great way to make money online or a scam. Before joining, I am going to show you some big warning about this site you really need. So the first thing in this video review, big warning sign is this. At the top of that page, Freaky discovered to make more than $3,000 per month. It means $500 per day, and the whole sales page shows how much money you can make in. He has the freedom to go travel all the time. He has a secret track. So survey site is a legit way to make some extra money, and definitely a great survey site. The legit sites, in my opinion, will not get these results from. It is simply not true. Any site that claims that you can easily make living by taking surveys, not a legit survey site. This is not how it works with paid surveys. They have some kind of ulterior motive. They have just gotten this secret track to make thousands of dollars online. This is not how it works with paid surveys. I will just show you here. You see on the first page, and then I will just show you what then happens. There is just a lot of claims you're saying, like, let me just join. I have now given my name and my email address, and usually on a survey site, when you sign up on, you just give your email address and your name, sometimes a little bit more, and then you get to a members area, and then you start taking surveys. And that's not the case here. You actually get to a sales page that tells you about here. He wants to helping people and learn the number one secret, and he wants to give back. And then the true intention of this page comes when you scroll down to the bottom. So after you have given your name and after you have given your email address, you get to that truth that you actually have to pay to join. Do not pay to join. In general, do not pay to join any service sites. They never charge you anything. It doesn't make sense. The surveys where you can actually take surveys and just have to pay to get a list of some service sites, it's completely safe, and it is not actually. It's definitely not worth paying for. You should not actually expect this to be true. You can see here, as you can see, you jumped on another sales page says full tech survey forecast. Affiliates, they pay people to promote these products. That's why you see people that are really claiming sometimes they can make thousands of dollars. It is such an easy and great way to make money. This is sales funnel. As you can see here, you get paid every time you get somebody to join. You can see there is 3 upsells. That means you can end up paying a lot more to actually get full access. Here you can earn up to $78 per sale. There is also setup sales you actually join, the initial joining fee. So definitely not a side, in my opinion. There are so many great legit surveys where you can actually make money on by sharing your opinion. And here you don't only have to pay. You should never pay to join the site. There are sites, legit service sites, that you can make money on, and also taking all the tasks and jobs. There will also be several upsells after joining where you can easily make a full-time income, and that's just not how paid survey work. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment. Stay safe and goodbye.